Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today I want to show you our anti-reflection screen. This is our latest screen, like a black screen, and you can see all around it it's black and it's anti-reflection. It's 10 times darker screen than the regular screen that all the competitors they're selling. And also we are having our blue screen, which is anti-glare screen, and as you can see, like, this is a perfect nice finish screen. And this screen can come with the 4G and Qualcomm processor as well. And you can go to video section.
You don't know me.
So this screen is perfectly fine under the sunshine, and you're gonna have any reflection. And also, as you can see, like, the quality is perfect. The sound through auxiliary is perfect.
Get low when the whistle goes. Now we talk.
There is no issues with the aux. A lot of people they're asking if our aux has problem like the other sellers. No, there is no problem. Our units are perfectly fine. And this is our latest screen, the anti-reflection screen with fully black screen, same as BMW screens, without any silver trim around it. If you're interested to get these type of new units, you can buy them online from 4x4shop.ca, or you can give us a call at 905-604-4294 and we can get them installed for you. Thank you and have a great day.